Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mer from Trade with Precision. Now, tension in the Middle East saw the price of crude oil rising quite sharply last week. So the daily chart was in a downtrend. We had a clear series of lower highs and lower lows. We pulled back, made another lower high, but couldn't push any lower, made a higher low. So when the market went ahead and broke this previous line, so the 73.20 previous swing lower high, we printed a higher high. This is a level that I'm interested in. You can see we had a couple of touches in that level in the past. We had that on the way down. We touched here and another one here. And then on the way out, previous swing lower high and another touch here. The momentum indicators are also nicely converging here to the upside. However, we do not have the moving averages in the correct order for an uptrend. The 50 moving averages haven't crossed over yet. Now, another thing is the higher time frame. If we take a look here on the weekly, we can see that we are still in a downtrend and simply pulling back into the sell zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. We also have the momentum indicators converging to the downside. Similar story gives us the monthly chart, still in a downtrend. We're pulling back into the averages, and the momentum indicators are flat to converge to the downside. But I'm looking at this scenario from a mid to a daily time frame point of view. So I'm looking for a quick pullback to test that level from above and a continuation of this move toward the area of the 78. That will still keep the weekly chart and the monthly chart within its downtrend and the area of the sell zone. Now, if we take a look here on the 4 hours, we can see that the 4 hours has changed direction. We've got here a nice uptrend with moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and a very nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. Also, if I'll take the Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, we can see that the 50% retracement is clustering quite nicely with this level of 73.20 that we identified on the daily chart. So in this case, I'm looking for a mid time frame potential opportunity. The other market that I want to take a look at is the Kiwi dollar. Now, we're going to hear from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand on Wednesday regarding their interest rate decision, and the market is expecting a 0.5% cut. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see that we are in an uptrend, and the strong sell-off that we had last week pushed us back into the averages. It's a similar story here on the monthly chart. We are in an uptrend and we are pulling back into the averages and also into a very nice level of support and resistance in and around the 0.8340. If we'll take a look here on the daily, we can see that the pullback has been strong and we pull back deeply into the 50 moving averages. But we can see here the plenty of touches that even recently we had around that level. So what I'm looking for in case we're going to see a rebound of the Kiwi dollar, I'm looking to see buyers coming back into the market around this area. So drilling down into lower time frame, looking for a change of direction and looking for a continuation of this higher time frame move. If, however, we're going to see a weakening of the Kiwi dollar, then I'm looking at the pound versus the Kiwi. And this is the monthly chart, and we can see the monthly chart is in an uptrend. We pull back into the averages, and now we're moving away. Taking a look here on the weekly, we can see that strong push that we had, the pullback, and we really are consolidating within the buy zone over here and underneath this level around the 2.1360. Taking a look here on the daily, we can see plenty of touches at that level in the past. We came also close to breaking it, but failed and pushed lower. However, we haven't made a lower low. We actually printed here a higher low than this previous ultimate low, and now we're coming back into this level. So I'm looking in this case to see compression of price underneath this level and a break and a continuation of the higher time frame move. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.